If your vacation photos look like postcards, you're missing the bigger picture. Let's talk about Balochistan. Balochistan, a land of rugged beauty and untold stories. Beyond its breathtaking landscapes lies a harsh reality: terrorism, conflict, and an influx of tourists who, knowingly or unknowingly, add to the local struggles. Tourists come seeking adventure, but leave behind more than just footprints. Pollution, disregard for local hardships, and exploitation of the community are just a few issues. Locals express their concerns clearly. A fisherman says, "They come to our beaches, pollute our waters, and then leave. But we live here. This is our home." A shopkeeper adds, "Tourists treat us like curiosities. They don't see our daily hardships. Military presence, insurgency, economic struggles. This is our reality." Balochistan remains one of Pakistan's most conflict-ridden regions, plagued by terrorism and violence. A history of resource exploitation, political neglect, and armed struggles has left its people caught in the crossfire. While tourism should bring prosperity here, it often feels like another form of exploitation. But all is not lost. Change is possible. Tourists can become allies by supporting local businesses, respecting cultural sensitivities, and acknowledging local struggles. Balochistan is more than a travel destination. It is a land of strength, history, and heart. The question is, will we see it only through the eyes of a tourist, or will we listen to the voices that have been silenced for too long? Subscribe to our channel for more stories that matter. Let's make a difference together.